beneficial for the community because general education to community workers can improve the overall health of the community, of Lynchburg, of any community that you're in. Can improve health of employees, which can reduce health insurance costs for the employer.
It's important for everybody because heart disease can affect people as early as 45. More and more people are eating, kind of bad food. So, it's nice to know where you're at. It's kind of a gauge. A lot of times people, they don't have contact with their doctor. This is one way where we can get them to see a doctor. They think that they don't have any signs, and they think that they're invincible.
I think employees should take advantage of a health fair so they can identify risk factors and change lifestyles to prevent complications later on.
Safety. We've got our various defang firearms that we use for hunter education classes. Basically, our goal here is to teach people the basic rules of firearm safety. If people would follow the safety rules for firearms, we wouldn't have the accident. If the muzzle's pointed in the safe direction, guns are treated like they're loaded, fingers are off the trigger, they make sure their target is what's beyond their target, we wouldn't have the incidents where people get shot.
Zumbale oh oh oh. Zumbale oh oh oh. Zumbale
It was DUI awareness for impaired driving to show the differences between when you're driving sober and when you're driving impaired with alcohol. That's what this DUI simulator does. It's how dangerous it is to be on the road while drinking. Well, it's a lot of, you go to a company like this, all the guys and the ladies are together, they get to go around with each other. If you just had this out in public on a Saturday afternoon in an empty parking lot, a lot of people wouldn't take the time to come to something like this. But when you have a company that lets employees take company time to learn about safety, it helps the company, helps the employees. those turns I got set up to where if you put it right here, you'll go right around them. You're doing this because your brain, you can't help but do it. And that's what we see on the side of the road is people doing that little bit of weaving with the steering. They're not turning it all the way. They're just doing this because the brain is constantly corrected and there's no need to.
Right. Watch out you know the wheel. It's like going home on Saturday night.
We've been doing this way over 10 years. It's been my project for 10 years with Betsy and HR. But during the course of these 10 years, we've had 4 employees find life-threatening conditions back there through the blood testing that they didn't know they had. They've all been treated. They're still employees here, and I think it's a really neat benefit that that has brought up. Again, we're hoping nobody's sick, but we get the opportunity to have them do these tests and not have to take time off and go to the doctor or anything. And you know, some old guys are pretty stubborn about going to the doctor, and one of those fellows had extremely high blood pressure, and he didn't even realize it. So we found that out here. So again, it's all for the employee benefits, and we keep people healthy, and that's what we need to do to keep them happy here.